Hypno-Disc spinning away right from the start. Will try and get the disc to hit Atomic side on. Atomic has a compact aerodynamic shell, and at the moment has withstood that first attempted onslaught. Or has it? Look at there! The split on the side of Atomic, but it's flicked Hypno-Disc up and over. Now this would be a huge shock if Hypno-Disc went out here. They got a little bit cocky. They attacked Atomic front on, and therefore were flipped up and over. And Hypno-Disc needs to be, I was going to say on its toes, on its tyres, on its wheels. Because this is a really good battle in the making here. Oh, until that moment, surely. Hypno-Disc, look at the power, and there goes the scoop of Atomic. There goes the weaponry. The front fork not just bent, the fork was knifed away into the distance somewhere. Completely toothless now, and very near the bit of doom. I'd jump in. I really would. Save yourselves, because you've got little chance now, Atomic, surely. Hypno-Disc just waiting its moment once again to come in on the attack. They made an error judgment early on, Hypno-Disc, but survived the fall from grace, the tumble, the throw. And look at the damage. They've cleaved into Atomic. Who would go into the arena with Hypno-Disc? And the teams drawn against them in this heat, very, very unlucky. Grand finalists in the 4th series of Robot Wars, defeated by Pussycat then, but Hypno-Disc back in winning form, and Atomic 2 counted out. Hypno-Disc through to the heat final. Look at that. Split apart Atomic 2. And all we're left with in the arena is Atomic waste. It's a killer lot to deal with it promptly, advisedly, healthily, and in a secure manner. Spinning, whirling. We love to see him do that. He didn't know Sir Killalot was a mean disco dancer in his part-time. The Atomic team beaten by a very good Hypno-Disc machine again. And the grisly remains are on show for all. Matilda with the flywheel at the back to cause the final damage, and then a tusk, a push, and rear end from Sir Killalot, if you please, sir.
Cease.